Hi there, it's Tim, and today I'm doing a review. What I'm actually going to be doing, not really a review, an add-on to my little 09, which you can see over my shoulder here. What happens in Victoria in the wintertime, it rains quite a bit. And with the rain, I get these rooster tails up the back of my pants and t-shirts and stuff, and I'm constantly, they're just ruined. These shorts, I put them in the washer, I can't get the stains out. So what I need to do is add an extension to the mud flap. And with that in mind, that's what I'm going to do next. So speaking of saving clothing, check out new shirt, Tim's Electric, YouTube reviews. I'm really enjoying making these videos. And if you're a manufacturer and you're thinking, hey, you know what, Tim, we'd like you to review one of our scooters, go ahead, reach out to me. I'd be happy to review a scooter. I've got about 3 or 4 of them coming right now. And so I'll be reviewing those in the first quarter of 2020. And also, if you're watching this and you've got some ideas of scooters that I haven't reviewed yet, let me know. There are so many manufacturers out there. I'm only too happy to do reviews. So anyway, let me get started. I'm going to clean this thing up and show you how to attach the mudguard. Alrighty, so here we go. Peel and stick. And that's it. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and put down in the comments down below what modifications have you done to your scooters, or would you think would be a really good idea for me to do some of my scooters. Looking forward to seeing and reading your comments. Thanks very much. Take care and stay safe. Cheers.